morning, all of you. So now we'll continue what is law of conservation of momentum and as well as what is the applications of law of conservation of momentum. And the next we'll see a few numericals for the today's session. We'll practice a few numericals which is related to the law of conservation of momentum. Correct or not? Yes. So now let us come. Last class I have taught you the derivation of law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. So what is law of conservation of momentum? Please, Tamil Selvan, anybody? What we have proved. So as we know that law of conservation of momentum will say that momentum, the total momentum before collision, is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the final thing you have written in last class? You tell me. Total momentum before collision is equals to
after collision.
Total momentum after collision. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
So if you consider the two bodies, understanding, if you will consider two bodies, as we know that the momentum, total momentum before collision, which is equals to what? M1 U1 plus M2 U2, which is equals to, what is that? M1 V1 plus M2 V2. This is what we should call as momentum before collision, and this is what which is called as momentum after collision. Is it yes or no? Any doubt in this, please?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Tamil Selvan, Pradosh, yes or no? So this is what
Yes,
we
sir.
call as momentum before collision, which is equals to momentum after collision. Any doubt in this? Please let me know. Correct? So if you consider the two bodies, M1, U1, M1 is the mass of the body 1 and U1 is the initial velocity of the body 1. M2 is the mass of the body 2 and U2 is the initial velocity of the body 2. So again, M1, M2 is same. But V1 means what? Final velocity of the body 1 and V2 means what? Final velocity of
body 2.
So this is what we have studied in the last class. This is only known as law of conservation of momentum. Means the momentum before collision, which is equals to momentum after collision, means momentum neither be created nor be destroyed. Just it has been transferred before and after collision, but totally it will be equal. That is what we used to call as law of conservation of momentum. Correct? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
two bodies acts upon one another. When two bodies are even more than that, when they acts upon each other, their total momentum remains constant. Understanding? If there is no external forces are acting, that is what we should call as law of conservation of momentum. And I have taught you the derivation also. Is there any doubt in derivation part? Have you seen, Pradosh? Have you seen the derivation?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is what we have studied. Correct or no? So now,
Yes, sir.
here, this is what the law of conservation of momentum. Let us come to the today's class. We'll see first what is the applications of law of conservation of momentum. Please keep heading. Keep heading. Applications of the law of conservation of momentum. Shall we start? Applications of law of conservation of momentum. So let us discuss this very in detail. So yes, we know that what is the applications. Can you able to say, please? Already we have studied so many applications of thing. So as we know that rockets and jet aeroplanes working on the principle of action and reaction. Is it yes or no? Rockets and jet aeroplanes. Remember Newton's third law of motion. I have taught you. They are working on the principle of action and reaction. Correct? So now same thing. rockets and jet aeroplanes, they will work according to the law of conservation of momentum. How sir means, you see, the chemicals which are present inside the rocket will burn and they will produce high velocity blast of hot gases. They will burn and they will produce a very high velocity, means the fast moving blast of hot gases they will produce. So these gases pass out through the tail nozzle of the rocket in the downward direction with a tremendous speed or velocity, means very fastly they will travel downwards. So that is why, as we know, that rocket moves up to balance the momentum of the gases. Is it yes or no? Do you understand?
Sir.
All of you? So if we take any kind of rocket, what is happening, Pradosh? If you take the rocket, so inside the rocket, so huge amount of gases has been produced. Is it yes or no? So that gases
Yes,
has
sir.
been coming out from the tail. So this fast moving, tremendous movement of this fast moving gases has been created some momentum. Will you accept it or not? Huge amount
sir.
of gases, because gas is having mass and as well as they are coming with a very fast velocity. So definitely they will create some momentum. Will you accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So to balance that momentum, the means this is called as action, which we used to call as action. So now, oppositely, to balance this, the rocket also will gains the same amount of momentum in opposite direction to move upward. So that is what we can say. The momentum gained by the rocket is equals to mass of the rocket into velocity of the rocket. Is it true or not? Is it true or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So in these both the cases, so the momentum of the gas, momentum of fast moving gases, which is equals to what? Momentum of rocket. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Momentum of rocket. So in this case, what is happening? So both are equal or not? Definitely. Correct or not? So maybe the
Yes,
here
sir.
mass of the gas is less, but velocity is more. So here mass of the rocket is more, but velocity is little bit less. But totally if we calculate it, total momentum of these gases, which is equals to what? Momentum of this rocket. So both I can say that this is, let me imagine P1 and let this is P1 and this is P2. So both I can say momentum of the gases, which is equals to momentum of the rocket. Will you accept it? Tamil Selvan,
Yes, sir.
Pradosh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what we should call it. So that is why I can say rockets and the aeroplanes, everything, they will work not only the Newton's law of motion, means not only this action and reaction, also they will work on the principle of what? Conservation of momentum. Do you understanding, all of you?
Momentum.
Yes or no? So that is the first example. So I can say that
Yes, sir.
first example, the rockets and the jet aeroplanes, will work on the principle of what? Principle of law of conservation of
Conservation of
is what I can
momentum.
say. So the rockets and jet aeroplanes works on not only the action and reaction principle, also they are working on the principle of conservation of momentum. Please note it down.
Momentum.
All of conservation of momentum. Rockets and jet aeroplanes. First application. Rockets and jet aeroplanes. Not only working on the action and reaction. Action and what?
Reaction.
Action and reaction.
Reaction.
Action and reaction. Also they are working what? Action and reaction. Also working on
Conservation of momentum.
conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. So example of
Momentum.
what? How we can say it is working on that? I can say that the law of what? The momentum of hot gases, which is equals to what? Momentum of what?
Rocket.
Momentum of rocket or jet planes. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes or no? That is the first example.
Sir.
Next, second example you see. So if I'll fire the bullet, then that is also you observe. The momentum before firing and the momentum of the bullet which is equals to momentum of the gun. Is it yes or no? Yes.
Sir.
Suppose if I'll fire the bullet, understanding bullet is fired from a gun, then the momentum, the bullet has some momentum, and as well as the gun is also having some momentum. So can you able to say first here you see, I should not say momentum before firing and momentum after firing. Why Ra? Can you able to say momentum before firing how much Ra? Darun, Pradosh, momentum
Zero.
before firing how much? Momentum before firing 0, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Momentum before firing is 0, correct or not? Because before firing bullet is in rest, so that we can say 0. That is why in the case of gun, we have to consider, remember, momentum of the bullet, which is equals to what? Momentum of the gun. Do you understanding? After
Gun.
firing only. So in the case of gun, in case of fired, understanding, fired gun. Fired means fired bullet from gun. So in this case, you remember there is no kind of before firing, after firing. No case of before firing, momentum P before firing, and P after firing. Why it is? Can you able to say after firing? Why? Because what? Because before firing, the gun is at rest. The gun is at what? Ra? The gun is at? Tell me,
Rest.
the gun is at?
Rest.
The gun is at rest. So momentum P is equals to what? P is equals to 0. So that is why there is no, in case of gun, there is no momentum. There is no momentum before firing and after firing. Only in bullet. Whenever you are having a bullet case, only one thing we have, Darun, remember, only after firing. Do you understand, Ra? Only
After firing.
After bullet is fired from the gun. That is what we have case. Before firing, not there. All of you should remember. After bullet is fired. After bullet is fired. Do you understanding, Ra? Only
Yes,
after
sir.
bullet is fired. So now, what will happen here? You see. So after bullet is fired, what is happening, Ra? Momentum of the bullet. What is that? Momentum of bullet equals to momentum of gun. So now, observe carefully. What is the momentum of bullet? Telemokil, Pradosh. What is the momentum of a bullet? Momentum of bullet is equals to what? Mass of bullet.
Into velocity of a bullet.
Mass of bullet into
Velocity.
of bullet, which is equals to mass of
A gun into mass of the
gun into velocity of gun. We have some name. What is that name? The jerk coming backward. We have some name. What is that called as?
recoil.
Velocity. The gun
Recoil.
coming back and hitting the chest. We have some name called as, not velocity. Which is called as recoil velocity. Brothers, very good. So that is what you should write. So mass of gun into recoil velocity. What we should call? Recoil velocity of the gun. Do you understanding, all of you? Recoil velocity means velocity only, means the backward motion of the gun is called as recoil. That is what I can say. Recoil velocity of the gun. Do you understanding, all of you? So momentum of bullet.
Sir.
Momentum of bullet is equals to momentum of gun only after firing. Manya and Samaya, please respond me. So in the case of bullet alone, you please remember momentum is present only after firing, because momentum is zero when the gun is at rest. When the gun is at rest, momentum is zero. So that is why we won't consider this. Only will consider after bullet is fired from the gun. So by the time both bullet and gun is at motion, so the momentum of the bullet which is equals to momentum of the gun. Understanding, Ra? So what is the momentum of the bullet? Mass of the bullet, understand, into velocity of the bullet, which is equals to mass of the gun into recoil velocity of the gun. So now let mass of the bullet is mb. Will you accept it? Mass of the bullet is mb and velocity of the bullet is vb. Will you accept it or not? Which is equals to
Yes, sir.
mass of the gun, what I can take? mg. Mass of the gun I can take it as a mg, and recoil velocity I will take it as a what? vz.
EG.
Do you understanding, all of you? This is what we should call as, what we should call the momentum before fire, sorry, the momentum of a bullet which is equals to momentum of a gun after
Gun.
fire. Do you understanding, Dina? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Manya, Samaya, please respond me. Darun, Pradosh, this is what the thing. Please note it down. So this is also second application. Second application of law of conservation of momentum means in the case of fired gun, in the case of fired gun, if you will communicate only, I will be happy to teach you. If not, it is not. Tamil Selvan, Darun, what is happening in case of this? This is what we should call as. So momentum before, sorry, momentum of the bullet which is equals to momentum of the gun. Please note down the formula. In the case of, always you should remember, in case of fired gun, fired bullet, we have to use this formula. Will you accept it or not?
Yes,
Understand?
sir.
Manya? In the case of bullet, we have to use this formula. In the case of bullet and gun, we have to use this formula. Will you able to remember or not? But in the case of collision, what we have to use?
Yes, sir.
In the case of collision, what is the formula? In case of collision,
Before collision, after collision.
momentum before collision, which is equals to momentum
After collision.
after collision.
After collision.
So in case of collision, once again I am teaching you, so please don't get confused. So in case of collision, so two bodies are present. So momentum before collision, which is equals to momentum after collision. So before collision, m1 u1, after before collision m2 u2. Now after collision, what is happening, Ram? This is before collision.
M1 V1.
Before collision, speak all of you. Now after collision, what will happen?
M1 V1.
M1 mass will never change. Final velocity will change. M1 V1 and M2.
M2 V2.
So now, in case of collision, the formula will come like this. Before collision, which is equals to after collision, means M1 U1 plus M2 U2, which is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Do you understanding, all of you? This is what
Yes,
we,
sir.
in case of bullet, we have to use this formula, above formula, and in case of gun or bullet, we have to use this formula, and in case of collision, we have to use this formula. Is there any doubt? Please ask me till here. Please note down these two formulas. With the two formulas only, we are going to make every numerical. Whatever the numerical will come from this now momentum, only with the help of these two formulas. One is during collision and another one is before and after firing. That's all. Do you understanding, Ra? After firing,
sir.
momentum of bullet, which is equals to momentum of gun. Monish, please call, Pradosh, call to Monish. He is not yet joined. Boys remaining all joined, correct, Ra? Tamil Selvan is there. Pradosh, Darun, Elamukil, everybody is there except Monish. Correct? That is. So now, let us go with that. Shall we start the numericals now?
Yes, sir.
First numerical.
Yes.
All of you write the first numerical. Numerical 1. You can keep numerical problems. Most important, don't cheat me. Understanding. You have to study well. You have to practice. If you're not understanding, you have to ask me immediately. Numerical problems. If you not understand, please raise your hand and ask me, or else you speak directly. So write the first numerical. Shall I start?
Sir.
Right, first one. A bullet of mass 10 grams is fired from a gun. A bullet of mass, how much, Ra?
10 gram.
A bullet of mass 10 grams is fired from a gun of 6 kg. Fired from a gun of how much? Fired
6
from a gun
kg.
of 6 kg. 6 kg with a velocity of 300 meter per second. With a velocity of 300 meter per second. Do you understanding all of you? 300 meter per second.
Second.
The recoil velocity of the gun. Calculate the recoil velocity of the gun. Recoil velocity of the gun. So what we should do? Anybody? Any idea? Please let me know. So which formula we'll use, Ra? Which formula we'll use? Which formula we will use?
Second formula.
Second formula, first formula?
Second.
Second one. Correct or not? So second formula. So let us imagine, for that I am giving you diagram also. Let us imagine this is what the gun, all of you please observe. This is what the gun I have. So now gun mass is how much they have given, Ra? What is the mass of the gun?
6 kg.
6 kg. And what is the mass of the bullet? Mass of the bullet is
10 kg.
10 grams. 10 grams, not 10 kg. 10 grams. And what is the speed of the bullet? Speed of the bullet is what? 300 meter per second. So they are asking now, what is that speed of the gun? Means in the sense of recoil velocity. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So recoil velocity they are asking. So as we know, recoil velocity we want to calculate. So we have to use which formula, Pradosh? We have to use
Second formula.
second formula. What is the second formula, Manya? What is the second formula? Observe carefully. What is the
MB
second
into
formula
VB.
here? This is what? Second formula is what? Momentum before
MB into
momentum of the
VB.
bullet is equals to momentum of the gun. Do you understanding, Ra? Momentum of the bullet is
Yes,
equals
sir.
to momentum of the gun. That is what? Is it yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
So let us imagine mass of the gun is mg and mass of the bullet is mb and velocity of the bullet is vb. Is it okay? Now you see. Question
sir.
what I am saying. Observe very carefully. The bullet of mass. How much? What is the mass of the bullet given?
10 gram.
10 grams. Mass of the bullet mb is equals to 10 grams. Understanding? Next, velocity of the bullet. What is the velocity of the bullet? Velocity of the bullet.
300 meter per second.
300 meter per
300 meter per second. Next, what is the mass of the gun? Mass of the gun is equals to 6 kilogram. And velocity or recoil velocity of the gun, which we have to find it. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Question.
sir.
But is it possible to substitute directly? Please let me know. Darun, is it possible to substitute directly? They have given 10 grams and here 6 kg. Kg and grams is there. Is it possible to substitute? No. Correct
No,
answer?
sir.
So I have to convert it into kilograms. So please convert it. 10 grams means how many kilograms? 10 grams is equals to 1
1 by
by
1000.
10 into 1 by 1000 kilogram. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is equals to how much? Which is equals to 100 will get cancelled.
1 by 100.
1 by 100 kilograms. So which is equals to how much it is? 0.01 kilogram. Will you accept it, all of you, please?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Till here, any doubt, you please ask me. Manya and Samaya. Manya, Samaya, do you understanding? What 10 grams is equals to 1 by 1000, 10 into 1 by 1000 kilogram. Because if you want, you can note it down here. So as we know, 1 kilogram is equals to how much, Ra? 1000 grams. And 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Any doubt, Darun? Speak, Darun. Tamil Selvan.
Sir, can
No,
we
sir.
change the 6 kg into gram now, sir?
What, Ra?
Sir, can we change the 6 kg into gram?
No, because it is actually meter per second only we should get correct. So meter per second is the SI unit and kilogram is also SI unit. That is why. Do you understand, Ra?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It is actually the SI unit and this is also actually SI unit. So that what we have to do, this also must be converting into, actually this is what? CGS unit. CGS unit means what? Centimeter gram second. So that we have to convert it into SI unit, standard international unit. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is what you should
Yeah,
follow.
okay, sir.
Okay. So units should be converted.
Okay, sir.
What is the full form of CGS? Pradosh? Yelamukil?
Centimeter gram second.
Centimeter gram second. Monish is joined now. I don't know what he will understand. Okay. Let us write the formula now. What is the formula, Ra? Please tell me. What is the formula? Momentum
MB into VB,
equals to
momentum of a gun.
momentum. Monish, remember in the case of gun, this is the formula you have to use. Momentum of bullet. Momentum of bullet, which is equals to, what is that?
Momentum of gun.
Momentum of gun. So now, so what is the momentum of bullet, Ra? Please tell me. Momentum of bullet is equals to what? Mass of bullet into velocity of bullet, which is equals to mass of gun into recoil velocity of gun. Is it any doubt, anybody? Yes or
sir.
no? Please tell me. Now in the
Yes,
question,
sir.
they have given mass of the gun they have given, where next mass of the bullet they have given, and mass of the velocity of the bullet they have given, and they are asking you to find, understanding what they are asking you to find, Ra? What they are asking you to find? Recoil velocity, VZ. So now let us go for substitution. Please tell me, what is the mass of the bullet, Ra? Mass of the bullet is equals
10
to
gram.
0.01 kilogram into 0.01 kilogram into velocity is equals to how much? 300 meter per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, which is equals to, what is the mass of the gun? Mass of the
6
gun is
kg.
6
6
kg.
kg.
So we want to find this only. So recoil velocity of the gun, that is. Now we want to find this one. Who is extra here? 6 kg. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
6 kg will come this side. Here it is in multiplication. Will come this side. What will become?
Division.
Division. That's all. So 0.01 kilogram into 300 meter per second divided by 6 kilogram. Will you accept it? Which is
Yes,
equal
sir.
recoil velocity. Now you see, kilogram will get cancelled. All of you should remember. Next, what we should get? 0.01 into 300 meter per second divided by 6. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Please all of you multiply 0.01 into 300 fastly. 0.01 into 300, which is equals to 3. Will you accept it or not? Any doubt in that? Which is equals to 3, because we have it two
Yes, sir.
zeros. Is it true or not? If you want, you can multiply
Yes,
it, you can check it. What, man, this much time? So 300, 0.01 into 300. You want, you can verify. Is it coming or not? 3.
Yes, sir.
All of you. So
Yes, sir.
can I write which is equals to 3 meter per second divided by 6, which is equals to recoil velocity. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. Monish, what is the answer finally? Recoil velocity is equals to how much?
0.5 meter per second.
Recoil velocity is equals to 1/2 meter per second. But Monish will say 1/2 means 2 meter per second. Is it yes, Monish? Monish, I am asking you only. Is it 1/2 or 2? 1/2, because numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger, which is equals to 0.5 meter per second. Please, all of you note it down. This is what the sum, you have to do it. From the beginning, solve it, all of you. This is what the question and this is what the given data. Do you understand, Manya and Samaya? Yes or no? No response.
Yes, sir.
Solve it.
Sir, understand, sir.
Diagram also draw, nothing will happen. Draw this diagram because diagram is most important. The recoil velocity we can call it as. Hey Monisha, are you there? Respond, yeah. Why I am teaching simply? Monesh, I am calling you only. Are you hearing me? Right. Solve it, Manya. Saying yes, not. Next question you have to say. This is what the recoil velocity. Do you understand, all of you? Write final statement. What you should write the final statement? The recoil velocity of the gun is. The recoil velocity of the gun is. How much, Ra?
0.5 meter per second.
Of the gun is 0.5 meter per second. Note it down. Solve it slowly. Any doubt, ask me. Tarun, Tamil Selvan,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Clear, sir.
If it is completed, you tell me. I will go for next question. Here you see, we have it multiplication, correct? So multiplication. So two zeros we have more. So here 2 digit after the decimal will come. Means in the sense of 1 3 is a 3. 2 it will come like a 300. So 2 digits before you can give the decimal, it will turns into 3. Is it okay, all of you? That is.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Next
Yes,
right.
sir.
Question. All of you write second question. Can I say? Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. The car A of mass, the car A of mass 1500 kg. The car A of mass 1500 kg. The car A. The car A, capital A means car A. The car A of mass how much, Ra? 1500 kilogram. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
1500 kilogram, comma, traveling at 25 meter per second. Traveling at, comma, traveling at 25 meter per second. Do you understand, Ingra? 25 meter per second. Okay.
Second.
Collide with another car B. Collide with another car B. 25 meter per second. Collide means what? Collision, hit. Collide with another car B. With another car B having mass. Another car B having mass 1000 kg. Having mass 1000 kg. Traveling at 15 meter per second. Do you understand, Ingra? 15 meter per second in the same direction. Like a derivation. In the same direction. Very simple question, very easy question. In the same direction. Same direction. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Same direction. Full stop. After collision, the velocity of the car A, becomes 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Then calculate velocity of car B. Do you understand, Ingra? Velocity of car B after collision. Did you understand the question, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very simple question. Question looks very big, but it will make the diagram very easy. Can you able to say diagram data, please? All of you read the question. Plus note down the question. I will give the time. Note down the question, all of you. This is what the question. Totally, how many bodies given, Ra? How many bodies given? Two bodies. Car A and car B.
Car B.
Car B.
So now, please, all of you speak, all of you communicate. That is what I want. Now, before collision. So solution. We have to draw the diagram. Let me take two cars. So solution. Before collision, you keep heading. Before collision. before collision, what will happen, Ra? What is the car direction? Both are moving the same direction. Correct or not? So this is what the
Sir.
before collision. Let us take. This is the car A and this is the car B. Car A and car B. So now please tell me what is the mass car A? M1, which is equals to how much?
1500.
1500 kilogram before collision. What is the U1? U1 before collision. U1 before
25 meter per second. 25 meter per second.
25 meter per second. Next, read the question. Car B before collision. Car B having a mass is how much? Car B having
1000
a mass is how
kg.
much?
1000 kg.
1000 kg. 1000 kg. And what is the speed before collision?
15 meter per second.
15 meter.
Others, what are you doing? So M2 is equals to 1000 kilogram and U2 is equals to 15 meter per second. This is what before collision. Now both the cars hitting. Is it yes or no? Means in the
Yes, sir.
what will come during collision? During collision. So both will hit. That's all. So both you have to show them they met an accident. That's all. I forgot to mention direction. What? Both are moving in the same direction. Do you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Same direction. That is. So now during collision they will hit each other. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. So all of you draw this diagram. This is during collision. Now during collision, what will happen? After collision, what will happen?
After collision.
After collision. So after collision, what will happen? Again, they will start moving in the same direction, but some damage. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So after collision, this is again car A and this is the car B. After collision. After collision, car B. Now again, after collision, what is the mass? Mass is constant, correct or not? M1 is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
1500 kg and velocity V1. What is the after collision velocity? Please tell me. After collision velocity
20 meter per second.
20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Now here mass M2 after collision same 1000 kg, but velocity V2 is equals to how much? Question mark. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what we should find it. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, brothers. Draw till here, you draw. I will explain. All of you clearly you draw till here. Before collision, during collision, after collision. 3 diagrams you should draw in a single line. If possible, single line also you can draw. If not, like this down also you can draw. But again, after collision also they are moving in the same direction. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is. So mention Darun. If you have doubt, please ask me. Dharma, Tamil Selvan also. So same direction. That's all. So direction is same after collision and before collision. So now please tell me. Do it fast. Manya and Samaya, please tell me. Are you understand this one? Till here, if you understand only, I will proceed further. Do it. Do it. Completed, Monish. We will never speak. This is during collision. Remember. Now, shall we calculate? Okay, brothers. This is the question. You can see before collision they have given car A. Understanding? Car A is there. So its mass is 1500 kg and velocity is 25 meter per second. And also car B they have given. So mass is 1000 kilograms. Speed is 15 meter per second before collision. Now after collision mass does not.